Vice President Chiwenga turned heads at the National Heroes Acre yesterday when he arrived for the Heroes Day commemorations wearing a scarf. Markedly different from President Emmerson Mnangagwa, now iconic Zimbabwe flag themed neckwear. Salabda mashoko buda pangu ina zvinzi Chiwenga snaps Mnangagwa scarf yet again. Do subscribe or like on the bell. Like some connect the video. Jona view because I know Chiwenga vane scarf yavo zvavo. Aiwa panguva inoi panapa munhu trambira munyongo muchinzi. Over the years, it is transformed from a simple fashion statement into a potent political symbol, with the various ZANU-PF politicians donning similar scarves at rallies and official events to signal loyalty to the president. Chiwenga's decision to once again break from this unofficial dress code has reignited talk of factional tensions within the ruling party. Rumors have long circulated that Vice President is at loggerheads with Mnangagwa over succession, with influential businessman Dr. believed to be Mnangagwa's preferred heir, a move said to be opposed by Chiwenga and his allies. The Heroes Day commemorations meant to honor Zimbabwe's liberation heroes, drew top government officials, diplomats, and thousands of citizens, but Chiwenga's scarf, or rather his avoidance of Mnangagwa's trademark version, became one of the most discussed moments of the day, underscoring how even minor sartorial choices can feed Zimbabwe's ever-simmering political intrigue. Ndomashwara kuda panguva ino vanhu vachiti aiwa maevents akadai anoonekwa kunzi vipi kunzi anochiwenga vachisnaba Mnangagwa scarf nezvimwe zvakadaro kunoonekwa kunzi zviri kunyatso kuva vocal, zviri kunyatso kutaura at a high pitch and amplitude. Nyika yese iye kutoziva kuti aiwa hazvina kumira zvakanaka pakati these two leaders panawo aiwa dzesuccession. Pari kunyatso kubuda pachena kuti kuonekwa kunzi corruption yakaitiwa yakuda kuita gwirei panguva ino. Vipi because Chiwenga havasi kana kufara nazvo. Zviri kuonekwa kunzi these guys they are trying kuti the ruling party ZANU-PF they want to operate it as their own business or what. Pamwechete nenyika yeZimbabwe tudze mafunguro enyu muri kude pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakomene section medu musama subscribe or like achitaura bell icon.